Dinner is ready. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple steamed fish, making use of salmon fillet. I'm going to do this Chinese style, flavored with spring onions and ginger, light soy sauce and sesame oil. And I'm going to serve this with quinoa salad, not rice, but quinoa. Quinoa itself is a healthy food. It's spelled as Quinoa, and it's pronounced as quinoa, not quinoa. So this recipe itself is going to be very simple and it's going to be very quick. To make my steamed fish, I'm going to use salmon fillet. I'm going to season the salmon fillet with a little bit of salt and a little bit of ground white pepper. And to flavor the fish, I'm going to use spring onions over here and ginger. And also I'm going to use half a fresh lime, light soy sauce, and also I'm going to use sesame oil. Now to make the quinoa salad, I'm going to use 1 cup of quinoa, and I'm going to use 1 cup of frozen mixed vegetable. And to flavor my quinoa salad, I'm going to use my own homemade chicken stock to cook the quinoa. I'm also going to flavor my quinoa salad with a little bit of French shallots and a bunch of mint leaves. So that's good enough. You can see how dirty this is. Okay. A little bit more liquid. And basically cook just like how you cook a rice. So I'm going to turn up the flame, put it on a high heat. I'm going to start cutting all these other ingredients while the quinoa is being cooked. The water is boiling. I'm gonna put the fish in the steamer basket right now and steam it for 10 minutes. While the fish is steaming in the basket, I'm going to make my quinoa salad. With the frozen vegetables, I'm going to transfer into this bowl, make it easier, and then I'm going to microwave it. Should be cooked. Now what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna mix the quinoa with the mixed vegetables and with the shallots and the mint leaves. And also I still have some chopped spring onions. I'm gonna put it and mix it with the quinoa salad. What I'm going to do now is plate the quinoa salad and the salmon to sit on top. I'm going to scoop the quinoa salad into a bowl. Press it down. Then I'm going to use a plate. Going to put it on top of the bowl. Tip it over, turn it around, and I have my quinoa salad in the shape of the bowl. So what I want to do next is to place the fish to sit on top. Dinner is served. Steamed salmon fillet, flavored with spring onions and ginger, light soy sauce and sesame oil. Serve on top of quinoa salad. If you like this video, remember to subscribe and share with your friends and family. My name is Victor Q. Thanks for watching and see you next week.